Happy Sunday. You guys know I never do this. I am filming myself with the front camera, which I'm sure I'm gonna get yelled at for. But I got a ton of packages and I'm gonna film a bunch of stuff. Some of this stuff I bought, some of it is PR, some of it is stuff I'm gonna review. But anyway, it's a Sunday, it's a gloomy Sunday. I just got home from the gym. I look like this. And I thought maybe I'd just give you a preview of some stuff that I ordered and I got and videos that are gonna be coming up. First thing I'm gonna show you, I've been waiting for this to arrive. I got this on Etsy. I paid for this with my own money. I really wanted this. It's a butter shirt. There's another company that makes these and I tried to get a sweatshirt at Christmas time and they were sold out. And I saw that they had them on Etsy. So I ordered this. I just think this is so fun for spring and I just love, because you know I love me some butter. So I'm keeping that. Also, is anyone else on the struggle bus about sizing? When it is unisex sizing, it's like I look at the measurements, I'm like, I should order a small, but I'm never small. So then I always get a medium and then it's always too big. Okay, let's show you what else I got here. I found a good deal on this from Nordstrom Rack. This is the L'Occitane almond stuff. I usually use a dupe for this, which is the Dr. Bronner's almond, but I got a sample of this and I tried it, it really is nice. So this is not gonna be my everyday body wash because it's expensive, but this is a little splurge, or maybe I'll mix it in and stretch it with the Dr. Bronner. So I got that. I ordered on the TikTok shop one of these hair things that lets you, my hair's already in a ponytail, but you know, so you can pin your hair up with it. And I already tried to do it and I have abso-fucking-lutely no idea how to do it. So, well there, it's working now, but that's because I already have my hair in a ponytail. So if you guys see any good tutorials about how to use these pins, let me know, because yeah, it's already coming out. Yeah, I don't know how to do this. Do not know how to do this. And it was so cheap, I got a silver and a gold. I mean, this costs like less than $1. Okay, I ordered another one of these Motipi squirts. I have a black and white one. I made a video last year. It did really well. I sold a bunch of squirts from it. And then I tried a bunch of other brands that were less expensive and I ended up sending every single one of them back. So I am back with the tried and true. I just feel like this is a better quality product. I'm gonna film a video with this later on this week. I got a new pair of shoes from C. Paravano. I'm also gonna film a video with those. They sent me these. These are fabulous. Fabulous. So more to come on those. Oh my gosh, look, you know leopard is a neutral. Here, let me take the little paper out. Okay, these are darling, low-heeled, leopard print, real leather. This is a great company. If you aren't following, oh, what's it called? The Dogs Are Good, The Dogs Were Good. Anyway, it's one of my favorite spots on the internet. No matter how shitty my day is, I love to watch this guy talk about dogs. He has a line of merchandise, and when you buy the merch, it helps to fund dog recovery, like they pay for dogs' treatments. And every single time I've gone to the website, I've probably gone there a dozen times to buy merch. They're always sold out of what I want. But this time, I got some stuff. Unfortunately, it's too big. I need to send it back, but I like it. So this I'm probably gonna keep. This is just a t-shirt. It's lavender and it says, "Tell your dog I said hi." It's a little big, but it's 100% cotton and I think I can shrink it. That I'm gonna keep. I got this hoodie that this is the main thing that I wanted, and it's too big because I got a medium. It's friggin' unisex medium, and look at the sleeves. Yeah, they too long. So I gotta get a small, but this is cute. It'll be great for spring. And this one says, yeah, also, "Tell your dog I said hi." So anyway, I love this. And last but not least, these boxes are from Universal Yums. I can't, well, maybe I will show you what's in them, but they send out snack boxes from like different countries. So I'm filming some stuff for them later on this week. But they send you a whole box of snacks from a region and then all this educational material about the region. So I did take a peek because I didn't even know what they were gonna send me. And they sent me the UK, and then of course they told me not to show anything in advance, but of course I'm doing it because I'm naughty. Anyway, there's this whole bag of snacks. So I'm gonna do a full-on taste test, and then there's a booklet, tells you all about the snacks, and you get to rate the snacks, and anyway, that was really awesome. And that is my haul. So happy Sunday. Hope you're having a great weekend, and I will be posting future videos with all this stuff in it.